burst of speed imaginable is yours for just a flick of the toe. For passing, power that guarantees safety. Now let's take a look at some demonstrations of this Pontiac power in action. First of all, getaway. On the signal, this Pontiac will take off from a dead stop and reach a speed of, well, let's see, in 10 seconds. Ready? There's the signal, and there it goes. In 10 seconds, from a dead stop to a speed of 60 miles per hour. And now, let's transmit this to distance travel. Ready, go. "502 feet in 10 seconds, almost 1/10 of a mile. This car is going 55 miles per hour. It will drive past a parked 1956 Pontiac. From a dead stop, the Pontiac will catch up and pass it. Let's see how long it takes. Ready? There it goes, and there goes our Pontiac. 4 seconds, 8 seconds. We're pulling up to it, and we've passed it in 12 seconds. But a further test of Pontiac power. The freight car behind this locomotive weighs 47,400 pounds. We replaced the engine with a 1956 Pontiac. Then add 3 more freight cars, for a total of 4 freight cars weighing 189,600 pounds. There we go. £189,600 being pulled by the power car of the year, the 1956 Pontiac. Now surely you're not going to go around pulling freight cars, or even passing or picking up distances at the rates you've just seen demonstrated. But when you're behind the wheel of the 1956 Pontiac, which can do all these things and more, you're driving with the assurance of safety. Your superior Pontiac power gives you a greater margin of it than ever before. Drive it yourself and see.